ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम ग्राम ग्रीम ग्रोम सह गुरुवे नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायणाय. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the astral science. Lot of calls are pouring in. Let me take couple of calls, and today I'll be talking about what are the panchabhutas or the five elements and how to activate for certain ailments. Okay, let me take the first call. Namaste. Hello.
Hello, Namaste Guruji.
Namaste, tell me.
My date of birth is 31st of August.
एक second. 31st of August.
1987.
31st of August 1987. Okay, time of birth.
23:10, 11:10 p.m.
Yeah, okay. Place of birth.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Place of birth is Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me your question, please.
When can I get married? I'm not married.
Okay.
When will I get married, and how is my married life?
Okay. Are you wearing any gemstone?
No, sir.
You're not wearing any gemstone. Either to your neck?
No.
No, okay. You're not wearing any kind of gemstone. Okay. So let me see, your ascendant is Taurus and your moon sign is Vrushchika and the nakshatra is Anuradha nakshatra, Scorpio.
Yeah, perfect.
Moon sign. Okay. Currently you are running under the Ketu Dasha, which will be ending by 22 November. Till 21 December Saturn period is running. Let us see Ketu. Ketu 2-7 combination is there. And Saturn is showing 2-7-11 combination. Let us look at the hit theory. Ketu is giving 7-7, Saturn is giving 4-4, then afterwards Mercury 4-4. Prior to that Jupiter was also having 11, prior to that Rahu. Rahu was actually good. 2018 and 19 was a good period for a good alliance to marry. Was there any good alliance which came across 2018 and 19? Hello?
I didn't came across any alliance, sir.
Okay, is there any reason you are not actually able to decide? Because I don't see any issue in the combination.
The reason being is that my brother was not yet married. That's the reason.
Okay, that was the, okay. You are not actually looking for a bride till your brother. Okay, right. See, currently the Bhukti period is little bit low, but till December. Post that Mercury starts. Both the periods are not very strong for marriage. The sub period we look at. But as a combination, 2-7-11 combination is quite good. And within December, if you chant few mantras, early marriage is been seen here. I would give you one mantra which is apt for marriage. So the mantra will be Om Shri Shanescharaya Swaha. You have to use this Shanescharaya Swaha. You have to chant this unlimited. This is the first thing. Second thing, I would suggest you to donate a few articles. Basically, to donate curd every Friday for next 3 months. Kindly donate curd for poor people. Within December, your marriage alliance will set, and by I think April you will get married. Combination is very good. See, this is what happens. So though we get a combination, people think that okay, when the combination is there, it has to happen. Circumstances will not promote us, because there is a issue from the brother side that he has not married, and how can I go forward and marry. So these kind of issues we can't find in the horoscope. So the time people call the circumstances will also change. So though the astrological charts are promising, circumstances are not promising. So this will also should be considered when we look at horoscope. Okay, good luck, sir. Definitely you will get married maximum by April. Good luck. And my suggestion, you can also wear one stone which I suggest. You can go for blue sapphire to middle finger and two-face Rudrakshi. It will definitely help you for faster marriage. Okay, good luck. Next. Namaste.
Hello. Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
My name is Rakshit. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Okay.
I finished my engineering and searching for a job now.
Yeah, tell me your date of birth.
Date of birth 14 December 1998.
Time of birth?
9:14 a.m.
Place of birth?
Bangalore.
Okay. So your ascendant is Capricorn and your moon sign is Libra. Nakshatra is Chitta Nakshatra, 4th Padam. Are you wearing any stone, gemstone?
No, sir.
Nothing you are wearing. Okay. Because certain gemstone will be negating job prospect what you are looking at. Let us look at the current Dasha, Jupiter Dasha, under that Saturn. Currently you are searching for job?
Sorry?
Currently you are searching for job?
Yeah, I am searching for job.
Okay. Till 2021 October, Rahu is running. We have to go for the sub period, which we call it as Antarbhukti. Under Antarbhukti, we will find the right job. Between May and October, you will have Rahu. Let us see Rahu 2, 3, 7, 8, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 12, 5, 10, 11. In Rahu, the hit theory is having 11 and at the second level, it is having 1. Within maximum period of October, you will be getting a job. Not to worry. Okay?
Okay.
October, within October you will be getting a job. For gaining the job, I would give you some suggestion to chant Om Bum Budaya Namaha. You have to chant unlimited. Om Bum Budaya Namaha. This has to be chanted unlimited regularly, and wear one orange color thread to your right hand and keep a white handkerchief with you. You will succeed within October. Nothing to worry. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Can you tell me, sir?
Yeah, I have my date of birth.
Yes.
27
27
11
November
96.
1996. Time?
Morning 4:35 a.m. Guruji.
Place of birth?
Shimoga, Guruji.
Shimoga. What is the question, please?
I have to know when I will get a job, Guruji, and I have to know government job combination is there or no.
Okay. Are you wearing any gemstone?
No, Guruji. No.
Okay, great. So your ascendant is Libra, your moon sign is Gemini with Mrigashira Nakshatra, right?
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Okay, currently you are running with Jupiter Dasha, and under Jupiter Dasha, the Bhukti is Saturn. Let us first look at prospect of a government job. Government job, let me check. The 6th house is showing the Rahu. Rahu is not sitting in the sign of moon sign and the moon and the sun sign. No, it is not there. Let me look at the combination for Rahu. Rahu is in the nakshatra of moon. There is a chances, sir, for a government job. There is a strong chances for government job. You please try it. Let me look at the combinations. Yes, there is also 11, 11, 11 combination. The government job is quite almost 70-80% chances are high. Jupiter Dasha, Saturn is coming across, then Mercury will come. Mercury is giving 11th house. There is a gain. So you can try for government job between 2021 November to 2024 February. But at the same time, kindly don't lose some private job where you are actually planned to go. If you get a private job, keep on the move and parallelly look out for government job. And I would like to suggest you to wear this stone. A second. For you, coral is very good. Right hand, ring finger, kindly wear coral. Along with it, you wear 8-face Rudrakshi. It will help you out. Because Rahu 6th house Kaspal is there. You are wearing the 6th house Kaspal of Rahu. And the nakshatra is showing moon. Fantastic combination is there. You will do well in private as well as in government. Government, you should try a little bit harder. Okay? Good luck. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
My name is Pratap. I am calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me your date of birth.
My date of birth is 30th May 1993.
Time of birth?
1 o'clock, 5 minutes in the afternoon. 1:05 in the afternoon.
1305. Okay. Place of birth? Bangalore?
Ramnagar. Ramnagar, Guruji.
Ramnagar. Question, please.
Sir, actually, I am trying for some government jobs.
Okay.
Currently, I am preparing some police sub-inspector exam.
Okay.
My question is, my left eye is twitching. Whenever I prepare for some government exams
Mm-hmm.
for the last 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
I face this issue. so that I feel very nervous and confused. So is there any hope of getting job in government sector?
See, twitching of any body parts happens based on, it is like a sign of a woman.
Okay.
So left eye twitches means your moon is quite weak. Okay, moon will be quite weak, basically, because the right eye shows the sun and the left eye shows the moon.
Okay.
So moon, in terms of its placement or its types of higher level of astrology, if you see, moon will be quite weak in divisional charts.
Okay.
So at night you chant this mantra and have a good sleep.
Okay.
So you have to chant unlimited, like Om Chandra Mili Swaha Surya Mili Swaha. Om Chandra Mili Surya Mili Swaha. Om Chandra Mili Surya Mili Swaha. Unlimited you chant. So let me look at the planetary positions for your sixth house is showing Rahu again here. So at the Cuspal level it is not showing combination. At the Rahu level Mercury is there, Sun is in Moon Nakshatra, Moon is in Sun Nakshatra. There is also a huge chance for you for government job, sir. Very good chance, and 10, 11, 10, 11. You will succeed in whatever you are planning. 10, 11, 10, very strong. Let me look at the Dasha, what is running. Rahu Dasha is running. Under that 2022 Mercury is running. Rahu. For police, 7, 8, 10, 11. Excuse me. 7, 8, 10, 11 is the combination for military, navy and police. So Rahu Dasha has got a combination of 7, 8, 10, 11. The combination is apt. At the same time, the Mercury is also very strong with 10, 11, 10, 11 combination. And Mercury is having a very strong hit combination of 10 and 11 at the line 2 and line 3. Mercury is still till 22 October. If the interview, everything goes smooth, you have to be in the job within 22 October without fail, and it is very, very strong. I would suggest you to chant Om Bum Budaya Namaha regularly and wear one emerald to your little finger, because 10th house is hit by the Mercury. For the hit theory, Mercury is very, very strong. At the same time, you kindly wear one 3-face Rudrakshi, which is Mars. Mars is also very apt for this. And kindly wear or you can keep one orange color kerchief, or you can wear a orange color thread. Where during the training or during the interview times, you can remove this and you can perform your whatever training or whatever interview they conduct on physical interview or whatever it might be. Okay, the combination is very strong. Good luck, all the best. God bless you. So our class is on August 1st. There are 2 batches, morning 10 to 12, evening 7 to 9. So the classes will be conducted in English. So those who are interested to learn, kindly join, register August 1st. There is 1 more month time, nothing to worry, but plan to join these classes. Okay, it will be in English. You can also suggest to your friends, you can also suggest to your family members. Okay, definitely it will be a wonderful subject. I would suggest you to learn this. Definitely you can have a good roadmap to your life. Let me go to the next caller. Namaste.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaste, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, I am Srinivas MK
Okay.
from Duklapur.
Srinivas MK. Yeah, tell me, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I want to know my future.
Tell me, sir. Tell me your date of birth.
My date of birth is 14/2/1955.
14 February 1955.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Oh, very senior citizen, sir.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Yes, sir. Tell me time of birth.
16 hours, sir.
16 hours in the evening. Okay. Place of birth?
16 hours, sir.
Yeah, 4 p.m. Tell me. Place of birth?
Duklapur, sir.
In what area you want to know about the prediction?
Sir, I want to see my next idu, sir.
Is it on the health part or money part, finance part? What exactly, sir?
sir, ancestral properties are one of my brother,
Mm-hmm.
only brother,
Mm-hmm.
that fellow from abroad.
Mm-hmm.
He came here after 50 years.
After 15, 1-5.
50 years.
After 50 years of his, okay.
Yeah.
He was there for 50 years, long years there. Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
And now he came
Mm-hmm.
2014.
Is there a property dispute?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
He,
Venus and
coming
Mercury.
on,
Venus 6. The property combination of 6 and 8 is evident here. Shukra is quite strong here in terms of negativity. Then again Mercury is also showing 4th house and 10th house after Mercury. Shukra is also it is showing loss after Ketu. Then we have to go to the Sun combination. There will be a compromise, sir, by 2024-25. 2024-25. There will be a equal compensation you people will get, and you will win it. There is some kind of a, with obstacles you will win. With obstacles you will win. Kindly chant this mantra, Om Kram. If you can make a note, you can make a note of it. Om Kram 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 Dhumra Sari Badaksham Vijayati Jayati Hrim Om Swaha. And kindly wear one coral for winning and one 3-face Rudrakshi, and kindly donate turmeric and banana on Thursday for next 6 months to poor people. Turmeric, any kind, powder form or the root form, and banana to the poor people. By 24 you will have a good winning. With obstacle you will win. Nothing to worry. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Tell
I'm
me.
Sunita from Bangalore.
Yeah.
I'm happy to say that I'm your student. Actually, I'm attending your classes.
Okay, great. Okay.
I was not at all believed in astrology earlier, Guruji.
Oh, really?
And your speech only started learning. Yes, that's why I joined your class also.
Okay, great.
I'm very happy so that I'm not able to speak anything. That much I'm happy. I'm from Bangalore.
Okay. You are in the recent
Because
batch, which is ongoing batch?
It's the 85th batch.
Morning or evening?
Evening.
Okay, you are loving the subject very much now.
I have started because of your that in very simple manner you are explaining.
Okay.
Anybody, I think I can answer, not only me, because I'm lecturer at present.
Oh, okay. So you teach.
I was not at all believed earlier. Because many were saying this one Rashi, and it was not at all suitable for me. When I started meaning that after your speech, when I saw on TV, then only I started.
Okay.
Yes, it's true. Me and my husband actually both were not at all believed.
Okay.
And both were joined your class.
Even your parents were not believing, huh?
No, my mother was not, she was believing a lot, and I was against to that earlier.
Oh, okay. You are scolding everybody. All the astrologers you are being scolding. Okay, I am also one of them.
No, because she was saying that actually it was opposite to it was happening like that only.
Acha. What do you teach basically?
Kannada.
Oh, you speak, you teach Kannada to students?
No. For students, I teach I teach economics.
Oh, economics. Okay.
Lecturer for PU students.
PU students. Okay. Great. Okay, you show them.
Actually, for students also many times I was saying you are going to need that astrology. Will it work practically like that?
Oh, earlier. Okay. Even you had discussion with your students. What is astrology? Even you were telling them don't believe astrology.
Explaining economics, like currently how the economy is working, will that astrology will come and change like that in India and that all developing countries. About that, I was saying like that.
Okay. Great. Okay.
I'm giving example like that, and I didn't. Now totally I've changed. Now also I'm teaching as a.
So I would suggest you one thing. After completing your course with me,
okay,
you start checking your students, what is their horoscope, how they are. There might be some dull student who will come across.
Yeah.
They will not be able to crop up. So you can use this subject to develop your students.
Yeah, definitely I do that.
Okay, you can ask them.
Now I only started.
Okay, because all your student at one go will not have the same caliber to
Many
catch
of
that
them will
subject.
be like
Okay, okay.
average students.
Okay, based on that experience, definitely I would tell you, you can completely surrender to this astrology when you get a lot of experience through that. Okay, and astrology is not something like pseudoscience. It's a divine science. You have to remove that pseudoscience, and we have
That's
to.
why I started believing.
So all my last classes and all, I always give my students a bit of science in it. When there is
And
no
very
science in it,
simple
yeah,
to understand.
yeah, correct,
Anyone
correct.
can attend.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Anyone can.
They just have common sense.
Common.
have that.
I always tell my students, please have common sense. Don't think very big. Okay, astrology is a very big subject. It goes above my head. Nothing like that. It's a very simple, plain, a layman's language subject where a layman can easily learn it. Good interaction with you. So, what is the whose horoscope I have to check?
Actually, mine only I just go for Prashna Shastra.
Okay, great. Okay, 1 to 249.
24.
24. In what area I have to look at?
I want to see about my career, job.
Job, okay. Prashna Shastra, Ketu is running till 2024. Let me see from Dasha to Dasha. This is the Prashna Shastra planetary positions. From Ketu, the next version will be Shukra. Shukra is having 1 and 10. So the combination of 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 6. There is little bit of deterioration in your next period. Post 24, you will not be able to, what you are currently, you will not be able to get to the next level post 24. But you will still be in the same line. But the growth aspect remains same. So you cannot expect a little bit what they call going high in my career. That is not actually seen here based on the chart. But what I can suggest is to chant the mantra Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha. Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha. Then donate raw rice to poor people so that you can grow in your career with the best possible way. Okay? So good luck, all the best. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, namaste sir.
Namaste, sir. My name is Balasubramani. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me sir.
My son has completed his this was the education.
Okay.
He was searching for jobs, still he couldn't get it there.
Let me see sir, what the astral science will tell about. Can you kindly give his detail, birth detail?
Birth details is the date of birth is 14/12/98.
1998.
1998, sir.
Okay, 98. Okay. Time of birth?
Time about morning 9 hours 14 minutes, 9.14.
Place of birth is Bangalore?
Bangalore, sir.
Okay, Bangalore. So, what is his education, sir?
He has completed his BE, sir, in computer.
Okay, right. Let me see the apt time, at what time he will be able to get. Currently, he is running with Jupiter Dasha. Under Jupiter Dasha, Saturn, he is sub-period, and the sub-period till July, which is very short, and then Rahu. Mars and Rahu. Let me see at Mars. Mars 9-2 and Rahu 1 and 12. He will be getting a job post July within November in a multinational company, because 12th house denoting in the line 3 shows that he will be getting a job in the multinational company. Nothing to worry. Within November he will be placed in a good company, and if he prefers to go abroad, the combination is very good.
Okay.
If he prefers to go abroad, the combination is very good, because Jupiter and Saturn promotes abroad travel, or he will be joining a company which is into multinational level. Okay? Nothing to worry, because 12th house and all is very good for multinational company. I would suggest to give one mantra for chanting. He can chant this mantra 6, 9, 10. He can wear one emerald to his little finger, but that at the same time marriage gets a issue over that. Okay, I would suggest to wear a 4-face Rudraksh, not to go for emerald, because it's a negative for marriage line. And at the same time chant this mantra, Om Brahm Breem Braum Saha Budaya Namaha, every day 27 times, morning and evening. He will be placed within November. Good luck. Namaste. Excuse me. Namaste.
Namaste.
Tell me, madam.
Yeah, I need to know about my brother's career.
Yeah, tell me.
And about his marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, his date of birth is 22/92.
Huh, 22?
12.
December.
92.
22 December 1992. Time?
Timings is 6:35 p.m.
Place of birth?
Chikbalapura.
Okay, based on the horoscope, the ascendant is Gemini and his moon sign is Scorpio and his nakshatra is Jyeshtha nakshatra. Currently Venus Dasha is running till 2023. Rahu, Venus and Rahu. Venus 5812, 26, 5812. He should not get into business first and foremost. Then coming to the Bhukti, he should be in job. What is you are asking for job, right?
Yeah, he is in job,
then?
but he just need to change.
No, I don't see any change combination here. Till Rahu will be running till 2023. Any combination of 5-9, let me look at 5-9. Venus Rahu. Till September Shani. If there is any change within September, it will happen, because Saturn is showing a combination of 5-9. 5-9 usually give a change. The change will happen within September, but it will be a good growth. Nothing to worry. Even if he is here, there is a good growth. Even if he gets a job and goes to some other job also, it's fine. Fantastic. Nothing to worry. Venus and Rahu is running currently. The marriage will happen between 2022 May and November, because the combination is very not so great, and he will be highly selective, and there is a negative side in the marriage life. So I would suggest go slow, check the horoscope properly, and marriage is not so great. Married life, I can say, suggest. Okay, next. Namaste.
Shri Guru Piyana.
Namaste, sir. Guru Bhyo Namaha.
Sir, actually, I was a student, very backside, around 2016 batch I was.
Oh, great, sir. Okay.
So, I just wanted to tell that really Nakshatra Nadi has helped me literally to the peace of mind I have got through Nakshatra Nadi. This much I just wanted to tell with all the people. I had difficult times from 2018 onwards.
Okay.
So I had lot of mental stress, financial problems, everything was there, literally speaking.
Okay.
So at that point of time, this is the one that has literally helped me to calm my mind, to wait for the right time to come, so that whatever difficult time is there, I chant some mantras. So
what is your name, sir? What is your, I forgot, I just...
I am, my name is Manoj, sir. Manoj.
Manoj, okay, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as Manoj is telling, dear viewers, one thing I will guarantee you, learning Nakshatra Nadi will definitely first bring peace to your life. P-E-A-C-E. It's not P-I-E-C-E. P-E-A-C-E. This is the guarantee. The planets help you in getting you the first peace of mind. Nakshatra Nadi will help you in getting the peace of mind. Rest all is part of life. Ups and downs are there. So as he is telling, I always tell my student, learning Nakshatra Nadi, you will get a lot of peace of mind. Then you can plan your life very crystal clear and smoothly. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your experience. Okay, thanks a lot. A good response. I'll just come back after a few minutes. Okay, dear viewers, welcome back to Nakshatra Nadi. Our new class will start from August 1st and it will be a 15 days program and it will be for 2 hours daily. Kindly register, learn this Nakshatra Nadi and you will be definitely happy in your life, and definitely there is peace which prevails definitely. Namaste. Namaste. Good evening. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello. Namaste. Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, namaste. Namaste. Yeah, please speak.
I would like to ask regarding my daughter.
Okay.
Her date of birth is 14/11/2000.
14/11/2000. November 2000. Time of birth?
11:20 a.m.
11:20 a.m. Place of birth?
Ernakulam, Kochi.
I was working in Ernakulam. For 3 years.
Really, sir? Really?
I was in Kadavandara. You know a place called Kadavandara?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was working there in Kadavandara.
Yeah.
I was working for a company.
Okay.
I was staying at Kadavandara.
Oh, you sorry.
But I don't know Malayalam, but I used to understand it very well.
Yeah.
Okay, there I used to go for having dinner that there was some brand called Villipuram, some hotel is there, Villipuram or something.
Yeah.
I used to call Sadhyam, I used to go and ask for Sadhyam food. Okay, good, great.
Okay, next one.
Okay, a second. So your daughter's ascendant is Capricorn and the moon sign is Taurus and nakshatra is Mrigashira nakshatra.
Yes.
So what is the question you are looking at?
Regarding her future studies and marriage. That is the one.
So currently she is doing her graduation now?
Yeah.
So what stream she has selected?
Sorry?
What stream? What stream? Is this engineering, commerce?
She's doing her BDS, dental surgery. Yeah.
Okay, dental surgery. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Rahu Dasha and currently Chandra Bhukti is going across. Rahu will be getting over by 2022. Post that the Jupiter Dasha will start. Rahu is giving a combination, very good combination in terms of the 3-5-12, 5-7, 3-5-12. The 5 combination is very good for medical line. 6 combination, 5 combination. She will excel in the career. But there is a setback in terms of marriage. She will be highly selective in terms of marriage. You will only face issue only at the family marriage front you will have a issue, otherwise no issue in terms of career at all. So I would suggest to donate this radish. Radish you have to donate for poor people for at least 6 months. Okay, then I suggest her to wear 517 two-face Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi will definitely help her. At the same time, let her wear Mercury 6 and 9 is there, 5 and 12. Zircon. And marriage is been little bit delayed. So that is the only negative part. But marriage will definitely happen over a period of time. It might take up till 26, 20 to 28. Good luck. Career is excellent. She will excel well. Good luck. Next. Namaste. Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah, good evening. Tell me.
From 3 months I'm watching your program.
Thank you.
It's coming nice. You're explaining, giving scientific reasons and telling it's coming Good, sir.
Good, sir. Good, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I just wanted to know about my business.
Yeah. Tell me your date of birth.
4/2/1985,
4th February.
sir.
Time of birth.
8:55 p.m. sir.
8:50. Place of birth.
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. So you want to know about your business. Currently, your the business is being continued.
Currently, I was earlier working, sir.
Okay.
Now job is not there. I wanted to start some business.
Currently, you are running Venus Dasha and Venus Bhukti has started. Let me look at Ketu, how it was. 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 7, 11, 12. 2, 7, 11 is there. Ketu was good, but Shukra has just started with 2, 7, 9, 3, 6, 2, 7, 9. At the hit level, yes, definitely you can do, sir. Definitely you can get into business. Something related with commission, something related with media, or something related with the digital marketing, where there is involvement of some media, some kind of a media. So I would suggest to take the help of media. It might be a small screen media like YouTube or digital marketing or whatever it might be. You will definitely excel in it in next 20 years. What is the plan, your plan for the business?
Business, I'm trying to take some dealership, sir.
What kind of dealership? Can you be precise in it?
Some commission-based two-wheeler dealership.
Okay, but use technology. Okay, like promoting about your product more through the social media, because the combination third house is also, as I told you, lot of commission you have to work for. 7th house is there. Excellent period, you can start, but initially the growth will be quite low because there is no 11 combination in Venus, because 2, 7, 9, 11 should be the combination. 11 is weak here, but I would suggest you to wear one Basra pearl. One Basra pearl you have to wear, and one 6-way Rudrakshi. Then also tie a red thread to your right hand. You can start, nothing to worry, no much loss. Good luck. Namaste.
Very good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Tell me.
Sir, my name is Ravi Kiran.
Yeah, Ravi Kiran. Tell me.
Yeah, and the time of birth is 9:30 p.m.
First date of birth.
Sorry, 28/9.
28/9.
1973.
1973. Time of birth?
9:30 p.m.
9:30 p.m. Okay, 21:30 p.m. Place of birth?
Yeah. Place of birth is Coorg, sir.
Sorry?
Coorg.
Coorg. Okay, Madikeri.
Yeah.
Madikeri. Okay, Coorg. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I'd like to request for my career and marriage details.
Okay. But you are already 47, sir. What happened?
Good question, sir. I have no answer. That's why I've called you. Got fixed a couple of times.
Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Saturn Dasha is running.
Yeah.
And at the same time Rahu Bhukti. So your horoscopes shows that marriage is quite difficult, sir. Even if you would have married, you would have ended with a divorce, sir. Very strongly, I am telling you.
That's the reason I postponed.
So how did you know that you will end with a divorce?
To be honest, I had a couple of affairs.
Okay, okay, which didn't work out.
Yeah.
Because there is lot of 6-6 combination, lot of breakup which happens.
Correct.
And it is better you work on living relationship for at least 1 year.
Okay.
Post that, if you feel that okay, we can marry, you just have to select a like-minded partner, work out, and just say for 1 year we'll just have some good get together. But post that, if continues, you marry. That is what.
Any particular period, sir?
See, there is no particular period, sir. Your horoscope is quite not apt for marriage at all.
Okay.
So you have to try out. So for that, I would give you a suggestion. For marriage front, what to do? 2 and 2. Okay. Just wear one blue sapphire to your middle finger.
Okay.
For consistency, and 9-face Rudraksh which will also help your career. Money wise, everything is fantastic. You will make lot of money, you will enjoy, everything is fine. Only at the family front, you are lacking on this. Okay?
Sir, just one small question.
Yeah.
I was doing very well in the career, but now there's been a break, unfortunately.
Acha, acha,
I was in a
acha.
very senior position. So
Okay.
I wanted to see in future, like, how is it going to pan out?
You will get back to the same position post 23. The setback has started from 20.
Exactly.
May onwards. 23 post after March, Jupiter will start, and Jupiter is showing the 6th house of career. Again, you will go back to the same position and you will make the same money post that. Okay? Relax. Another 2 years, you have to suffer with what you have, but you will excel. Nothing to worry. Post 2023, great. Okay? Okay. Let me talk about today's small thought about this element. Basically, our universe is made up of 5 elements. Everybody know about the element which we call it as the Tattva, the Pancha Tattva. What are these Pancha Tattva? If you look at, one is the fire, one is the earth, one is the air, one is the water, the last one is the ether, which is the space. All the 4 tattvas, the fire, the earth, the air and the water, all the tattvas are within the gambit of this big space. All the living beings, not only on the earth, if there are extraterrestrial activity, extraterrestrial beings present outside our space, entire universe, what I can call, has been made up of only with these 5 elements. These 5 elements, when there is an imbalance in our body, we suffer. To keep these elements in a very positive way, our fingers will help. Just our fingers will help. Because if you see any of our demigods or any of our god picture or demigods, they'll always be in some or the other form using their fingers, which we call it as the mudra. And this mudra is actually based on prana, which we call. What is prana? Prana is a very simple word. One which is actually in constant motion. The entire universe is in motion. Nothing is stable. Everything is motion. If you take our galaxy, our stars, they are also in motion. If you take our planets, they are also into motion. If you take our moon, our satellite, our natural satellite, it is also into motion. Everything, even our seasons are in motion. So the entire universe is into motion. So the entire universe is under the gambit of prana, the prana. So we living beings, we human beings also are in the gambit of the prana. This prana, from birth to death, should have a very peaceful life. This prana should be in constant motion with less illness or with less setback. So these 5 fingers represent our elements, the tattva. I will show you on screen which are the tattva, 5 tattva, and which finger it represents. So kindly the picture please. Okay. If you see the thumb represents the fire element, because whenever we are into a motion, into the fiery mode, the thumb will be activated. The index finger is related to the airy medium, which is the ego. The index finger shows our ego, which is the air. which gets everywhere. The middle finger is our space which is large enough. So the middle finger is occupied with the space, the entire space. The other elements are within the space. So the middle finger, which is the longest finger, will take the element of space. At the ring finger, if you look at, it is the earth element. The earth element where all the life force on the earth is holding, the ring finger, which is very, very important, and that is where we call the ring finger, where we predominantly wear the sun, which is our life force. People wear the ruby in this finger because sun is the primordial what a source for us, for the source on the earth. It's the primordial. Then if you look at the little finger, the little finger element is Jalatattvam, or it is water element. So these five are the Panchabhutas, are the five elements which will help in keeping our prana, in a very apt manner. When there is an imbalance in any of these fingers, the tattva in the body, this finger will represent and strengthen us. So if you look at any Hindu god, they will all be sitting in one mudra or the other mudra. And the famous mudra or the normal mudra is Chin mudra. Chin mudra is very simple. Chin mudra is like this. Chin mudra is like this. See the god. I will explain about the next mudra. This is the Chin mudra. This is the Chin mudra. This is the Chin mudra. So here the fire element and the air element gets blocked here, or locked, I can say, not blocked, it's locked. Because for any fire to promote, air is very, very, very beneficial. You have to understand that. So whenever our fire inside, the knowledge fire, has to get ignited more fire, because the entire universe, the primary is fire. Because if you just link it between the start of the universe, there was a big bang, there was a big fire, and there was sound. This big bang was primarily an element of fire. Through the space, the entire universe is spreading even till today. Through the space it went across. To have a push, the air element has helped a lot. For any fire to glow, without air it doesn't work. A candle put in a glass jar and closed, after some time it will go away, because with no air it doesn't work across. So everybody have got a fire element inside. That is the reason we will have temperature. When we see there is hotness in our body, there is fire element. To make it robust, we have to mix the air element inside that, where the fire will be more. It should not go to extreme, where people are very dull, where people are not excited. They have to get into a mudra mode for just 3 minutes to hold like this. This is the first part. Today I will show a special mudra to control the anger. When the fire is very high, you have to control it. People who have heart ailments, people who have anger, and you can also use this to reduce the other people's anger by just chanting their name. That's it. You have to hold. If Mr. X is angry, you have to just chant his name, Mr. X, Mr. X, Mr. X. For every 3 minutes, morning, afternoon and evening, if you perform this mudra, definitely your anger will come down, your BP level will come up, blood pressure will come down, heart works fantastic, and no need to run on your treadmill, go for jogging to keep your heart. This is also a part of exercise which you can generate internal energy, because our entire body is made of 5 tattvas. The ego has to subside. This is the finger of ego, the airy medium. This is the ego. People who talk about like this, they have the highest ego. I am telling you, be careful. This is the ego, finger of ego. This has to get subdued. It has to get into the base of the thumb. Then the thumb, which is the fire element, should touch the two other elements, which are the earth and the space. And we should have a peaceful life, that is the water. So just closing the thumb, touching these two middle finger and the ring finger, and letting out the little finger outside. Just hold this every day for 3 minutes. Your anger will come down. If you are angry on your spouse, if you are angry on your wife, if you are angry on your children, just do this. You will have a calm mind. You will think positively how to come out of the situation, because anger is one letter short of the danger. Okay, always anger is one letter short of the danger. So the picture is shown on the television, on your screen. So use this mudra, touch it softly, don't press hard, soft touch, just hold, don't rest on any table. I would like to show here, you can see my finger here. So you have to just hold, not touching anywhere, just with this. You can hold like this or you can hold like this. Okay, both ways you can hold. Just hold for just 3 minutes. Your blood pressure will come down. You will have a healthy living. You will have a healthy living. Just 3 minutes. See the clock. Okay, it starts. 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes. Done. Evening, 3 minutes. Done. There is a fire which is created internally, and that fire will be positive fire, not a exaggerated fire. Okay, this is the mudra. Every day I will be giving you some or the other remedies. Kindly utilize for your life well-being. At the same time, August 1st is my classes, so those who are interested to take up the English version classes, you can join from August 1st. 15 days class, 2 hours per day, and I will also be providing with my app. That app will be definitely helping you to plan your life. The fate cannot be changed, that's for sure. Astrology will never say that, okay, by learning astrology or by going to an astrologer your life will be very different, or we will change the fate. No, no astrologer on this earth can change anybody's fate. But by understanding this, we can slightly alter our fate. Okay, slight alteration, and we will be knowing what exactly is happening the next, and there is some sort of a preparedness which happens, some kind of a preparedness which happens. So let us have a good life. Please join hands in learning this Nakshatra Nadi. Please also tell your friends and family to watch this program, and let them also benefit through this subject. Okay, all the best. It's time's up. Good night. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.